Hi, my name is Paige, and today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Outlook. For these tutorials, we'll be using the free version of Microsoft's 365 Copilot Chat, which can be found inside your application. Got a super long email thread? Let's make sense of it fast. Open Outlook and your email chain, then click the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat icon in the sidebar. To summarize the thread, find the thread you want to summarize, then in the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat box, type the title of your email chain and the instruction. In this case, give a concise summary of the email thread called Sustainable Item, and hit send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give you a neat summary. If you like it, copy the text and paste it into your notes or a reply email. Next, let's try give a concise summary of the email thread called Sustainable Item. Hit send, and Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will pull out tasks for you. Again, copy and paste them into Microsoft To Do, your calendar, or whatever you track your tasks with. It's quick, clear, and organized. No more digging through endless emails. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Outlook.